Welcome back, travelers!
We are still in Bella Italia, and as we promised in our last video, in this video we introduce you to an affordable hotel on Lake Garda.
The Green Park Hotel.
It is located in the picturesque Peschiera del Garda, at the southern end of Lake Garda.
You will find the link to the exact location in our video description.
Here you can do a lot. A city stroll, or a day at the beach, for example.
Or, of course, a visit to Gardaland.
But now to the hotel. In the lobby you find cozy seating areas and a variety of tourist information. You can also find a well-stocked bar here. And, especially important on hot days, a nice clean pool.
Please note that you must bring your own bath towel.
But now to the rooms. In this video we can introduce you to 2 rooms. First we show you this single room. It has a great view. The bathroom is also nice and bright as it has its own window. And this is what the double room looks like. A hairdryer and a safe are provided.
However, a refrigerator is not available. But all rooms have air conditioning. Soap and different bathroom amenities are also available. A special highlight of this hotel is certainly the roof terrace with a nice view over Lake Garda. How great it would be to dine at this view, but unfortunately the hotel itself does not offer dinner. At the reception you will receive a map of the town and the concierge will be happy to recommend a restaurant. Here are some tips that we can recommend to you from our personal experience. Bella Vista Ristorante Pizzeria, Paradiso del Coregone. When you return to the hotel after dinner, you can order a drink at the bar, enjoy the great atmosphere by the pool, or get a drink at the vending machine. Last but not least, we would like to mention the breakfast buffet. It is rich and balanced. Enjoy the Italian coffee and pastries.
now we're ready for another day full of adventure in Peschiera del Garda. And if we need a break, there is also good coffee and delicious pastries in the village. That's it. See you in the next video.